news for video creatives looking to recover old VHS video footage. Hitpaw Vikpea has now been updated, and I'm particularly impressed by the enhancements. And I'm also really pleased with the results of the HD footage enhancement, which saved my bacon with a recent job where I had to resort to footage from one of my YouTube videos as the original footage was not available. But you'll see that later in this video. And also I tried the coloring option, which gives really good results, but with a proviso, and I'll show you that later in the video. A link to the Vikpea down page is in the descriptions below. But rather than talking about the software, let's have a look at what it does. Here's a preview of what you'll see with the old VHS footage, the originals on the left and the enhanced versions on the right. When you first open the app, at the home location, you'll be presented with a vast set of options, perhaps a bit intimidating for a new user, but when you take a closer look, the short explanations give you a quick clue as to what the scenarios are best used for, and you can see suitable for TV movies or DVDs, enhanced HD videos, VHS and DVD. And then when you press the More drop down, wait for it, there's more options. Decompression, blurry faces for close-ups and so on. But today, let's keep this video short, and I'm going to look at the old video enhancement and the black and white colorization. First, the old video enhancement. I'll upload this car rally video from Canberra, Australia from 2001. I'll play a little bit of the original, and you can see how jumpy it is and the heap of noise and very blurry. And once you've selected your video, there's a number of different models that you can use, and each has got a preview to show a sample of the result. I'm going to try the general restoration model, and this is in real time. There's an improvement in quality, and you can see that the original's been upscaled. That's a 2 times upscale. I'll go back to the options by pressing the backward arrow on the top left. Let's try the video quality repair model and preview that. And that's reduced the noise significantly. I'm going to try the HD sharper model. And when you see this example of when a model doesn't work well with your particular footage, notice how the sharpening has over-enhanced the blurry parts of the image. This means that the time taken making comparisons is well worthwhile. So that's the choices that help enhance the video without using credits or resorting to AI. So let's try the generative AI. It'll require credits to use that, and you've got a choice between natural and sharpened depending on the original quality of your video. Very degraded footage will look better with the natural rather than the sharpen. And the video is going to be enhanced in the cloud. It shows that 32 credits will be used, and your available credits are shown below. In my case, you can see here credits are available. And the top there are 2 tabs. You can see the process, which is the current video, and clicking on the completed tab, you'll see your previous jobs. And these are the comparisons for you to view. The next step I'm interested is in the colouring of black and white videos. So I processed this old clip, and here's the result of both colorization and enhancement. Before you commit to using credits for the cloud service, you can trim the video to its smallest size by selecting the scissors on the bottom right, and this will keep down the number of credits that you use. Finally, I wanted to show how Vikpea handles enhancing HD footage to 4K. I have to say this is the most impressive for me. A client asked me to update a video for them from 2012. The original footage was not available, but I did have a copy on my YouTube channel. So I put the YouTube clip through Vikpea using the HD video enhancement model using HDD restoration. And look at the results here. And what really impressed me is how it handled the text sharpening, as well as improving the faces without distorting them. Now a word about credits. And as you can see, you can buy credits that are valued for 6 months, and there are various scales. For example, I found that the 16-second clip costs 32 credits. And overall, I'm super impressed with Vikpea's AI results, particularly the HD restorative model. The link to Vikpea is in the description below. Thanks for watching.